Today, December 5, 2025, marks a turning point in digital currency history. It's a day that will be remembered as the moment when the future of finance took a bold new step forward. The Quantum Financial System, or QFS, smart contract has officially launched on the Pi network, opening up a world of new possibilities for users everywhere. This is more than just an update, it's a leap forward that could completely redefine how we use, share, and think about money in our daily lives. Imagine a world where digital payments are instant, secure, and accessible to everyone. By merging the QFS's advanced security features with Pi Network's massive global user base, we're witnessing the birth of a new financial era, one that's more inclusive, transparent, and efficient than ever before. The QFS smart contract acts as a reliable, automated manager for Pi transactions, making them smoother, safer, and virtually tamper-proof. It's like having a digital guardian for every transaction. Think of this as opening a superhighway that connects cryptocurrency directly to global finance, allowing value to move faster and more freely than ever before. For over 60 million Pi users, this is the moment they've been waiting for. The start of a new chapter where digital money becomes truly accessible, practical, and part of everyday life. The launch is a major milestone, moving Pi closer to being a global, everyday currency that anyone, anywhere, can use for real-world transactions. Let's dive in and explore why this is such a revolutionary step for the future of digital money and the world of finance. To understand the excitement around this innovation, let's break down the three pillars that make it possible: QFS, Pi Network, and smart contracts. Each plays a unique role in shaping the future of digital finance, and together, they form a foundation for a new era of secure, accessible, and automated transactions. The Quantum Financial System, or QFS, is designed for ultimate security and transparency. It aims to replace outdated, slow banking systems with a network that's nearly impossible to hack or manipulate. QFS uses advanced quantum technology to protect your assets and ensure every transaction is recorded with complete accuracy. Pi Network stands out because anyone can mine Pi on their phone. No expensive hardware or technical expertise needed. This makes it a currency truly for the people, opening up digital finance to millions who were previously left out of the crypto revolution. With over 60 million members and growing, Pi is a truly global, decentralized community. People from every continent are connecting, sharing, and building a new financial ecosystem together. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements built directly onto the blockchain. They automatically enforce the terms of a deal, removing the need for middlemen, lawyers, or banks to oversee transactions. For example, a smart contract can automatically release payment once a transaction is confirmed. No banks or third parties required. This means faster, cheaper, and more reliable transactions for everyone involved. By combining QFS security, Pi's massive community, and the automation of smart contracts, we get a powerful, user-friendly digital currency that's ready for real-world use. This synergy is what sets Pi apart from other cryptocurrencies. The new QFS smart contract brings this unmatched security and efficiency to every Pi transaction, making each payment seamless and trustworthy. It's the final piece that lets Pi operate as a secure, global currency, empowering users everywhere to participate in the digital economy with confidence. That's why this launch is a true game changer for both the crypto world and the future of global finance, opening doors to new possibilities for everyone. Let's talk about ISO 2022, a universal language for global finance. This international standard is transforming the way banks and financial institutions communicate, making it easier for everyone to speak the same financial language. Banks worldwide often struggle to communicate, leading to slow, error-prone transactions. Different systems and formats create confusion, delays, and even costly mistakes, especially when money moves across borders. ISO 2022 solves this by standardizing financial messaging, making transactions faster and more reliable. It allows banks, payment providers, and fintech companies to connect smoothly, no matter where they are in the world. The QFS smart contract on Pi network is ISO 2022 compliant, giving Pi a golden key to global banking. This compliance opens doors to a vast network of financial institutions and partners. This means Pi can integrate seamlessly with banks, making moving money between Pi and traditional accounts as easy as texting. Users can expect smooth, instant transfers with minimal hassle. Compliance with this standard builds trust and legitimacy, showing Pi is ready for the world stage. It reassures both users and institutions that Pi meets the highest global standards. Pi's parent chain, Stellar, is also ISO 2022 compatible, strengthening the ecosystem. This shared foundation means even greater interoperability and security. Standardization means better data, fewer mistakes, and easier payment tracking. It also helps regulators and auditors ensure everything is transparent and above board. For users, it means safer, more reliable digital money anywhere in the world. Whether you're sending funds to family or doing business internationally, you can trust the process. This is a crucial step for Pi's real-world adoption, paving the way for a truly global, accessible, and secure financial future. Regulation is reshaping crypto, and Europe's MiCA rules are leading the way. MiCA sets clear guidelines for crypto projects, focusing on user protection and financial stability. On November 19, 2025, Pi Network released a MiCA-compliant white paper, confirming its legitimacy in Europe. This opens doors for Pi to be listed on major European exchanges, making it accessible to millions. The white paper defines Pi as a digital currency for peer-to-peer payments, not a security or investment. No ICO or private sale means Pi remains community-focused. By embracing regulation, Pi builds trust with users and businesses, encouraging wider adoption. While other regions debate crypto rules, Pi is already aligned with Europe's high standards. This clarity gives businesses confidence to accept Pi as payment. MiCA compliance signals Pi's commitment to a sustainable, regulated future. A currency's value comes from its real-world use, and Pi is delivering. The Pi ecosystem is expanding, with more businesses accepting Pi for goods and services. Platforms like Mobix let users buy electronics, appliances, and even vehicles with Pi. This shift from speculation to practical spending proves Pi's tangible value. Small businesses worldwide are integrating Pi, creating a circular economy where people earn and spend Pi locally. The QFS smart contract and MiCA compliance are accelerating this trend, boosting business confidence. More utility attracts more users, which in turn attracts more businesses. Pi's journey from a mining app to a global marketplace is well underway. Its value lies in real-world use, not just price. Unlike energy-hungry cryptocurrencies, Pi Network is built for sustainability. Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which relies on trust among users instead of power-hungry mining. The entire Pi network consumes only about 0.024 terawatt-hours per year, over 99.9% less than Bitcoin. This makes Pi one of the greenest digital currencies, aligning with EU green finance standards and UN net zero goals. Pi proves that digital money can be secure, scalable, and eco-friendly. Its energy efficiency appeals to users, businesses, and governments focused on sustainability. By making mining accessible via smartphones, Pi democratizes crypto without harming the planet. As environmental awareness grows, Pi's green model becomes a major advantage. It's a currency that's good for your wallet and the world. Pi's greatest strength is its people. With 80% of Pi coins allocated to users, the network is truly community-driven. Over 60 million members from nearly every country actively secure the network and build its ecosystem. This broad distribution prevents wealth concentration and ensures true decentralization. Partnerships like OpenMind harness Pi's global nodes for decentralized AI and robotics, rewarding users for their participation. Users aren't just consumers, they're contributors to the next wave of technology. The larger the community, the more valuable Pi becomes for everyone. Developers and businesses have a ready market of millions. This vibrant grassroots community is the engine behind Pi's growth and adoption. The QFS smart contract and MyCA compliance have sparked major market interest. After Pi's MyCA announcement, its price rose 5% and trading volume surged 120%, topping $185 million. Upcoming listings, like on OKX Europe, will make Pi even more accessible. Pi's presence in traditional finance is growing, with products like the Valor Pi ETP bridging crypto and mainstream markets. Listings on regulated exchanges boost liquidity, price discovery, and credibility. The Pi team continues to innovate, with Protocol v23 set to launch by year's end, promising network upgrades. This momentum, combined with strong market response, sets the stage for Pi's open mainnet phase. Pi is evolving into a mature, legitimate financial asset. The future looks bright as Pi prepares for full public access. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era for digital money. The QFS smart contract on Pi network symbolizes a future of smarter, safer, and more inclusive finance. By adopting ISO 2022 and MyCA, Pi is bridging old and new financial worlds with trust and transparency. Its energy efficiency sets a new standard for responsible digital currency. The real power lies in Pi's 60 million strong community, driving real-world utility and innovation. Pi's value is found in its ecosystem and the people building it, not just its price. With regulation, green tech, and smart contracts, Pi is poised for success. The journey of Pi Network proves the impact of big ideas and dedicated communities. The new era of digital money is here, and it's powered by the